guys. It's 12:30 p.m. here in Vienna, Austria. And in the Philippines, it's 7:30 na ng gabi. So ngayon guys, nagluto ako ng pakbet. So alam niyo guys, grabe, kamahal ng ampalaya guys, ng sitaw, ng okra. Grabe, tiniis ko lang talaga guys kasi miss ko na talaga ang pakbit guys. Kaya ayun guys, tiniis ko talaga guys na 8 euro yung aking ampalaya, yung okra, ganun din. Yung sitaw guys, grabe guys, 6 euro, ganun. So kalabasa lang ang nabili ko dito sa aming grocery. So eto guys, okra, ampalaya, kalabasa, sitaw, and ayan, liempo and ribs ang halo ko guys sa aking pakbit guys. And of course guys, meron pa akong extra, ayan guys, kasi ang dami ng karne ko guys. Kaya yun guys, ayan. Kain tayo guys ng Jonas, pakbit, babus, and of course guys, kapag ganito ang ulam, rice is life. So, kain tayo guys, babus.